Front brakes of a vehicle are the main brakes. They are the main force to stop the bike. Now over time, due to the wear and tear, they become less effective and your vehicle will not stop as it would like before, leading to longer stopping distance, which indeed will compromise your safety. So if you are facing this problem, then the first thing that you should be doing is you will have to tighten the nut on the brake cable. Once you tighten the nut, you should check your brakes if they are effective enough. But if you have already tightened the nut and it is on the last setting and you cannot tighten it anymore, and still if your brakes are not effective, then now it's time to replace the brake shoes. So come on, let's go near our Honda Activa 3G and let us replace the front brake shoes. And I will show you exactly how to do it. So if you are new to this channel, let's see that you subscribe. So for this you will need a 19mm socket. So take the 19mm socket and take out the nut which is there on the axle bolt. Once you take it out completely, bang on the axle bolt and push it on the other side. Then come on the other side and pull out the axle bolt. Then you will have to disconnect your brake cables. So take a vice plier and hold the cable with the vice plier. Then take a 14mm socket and take out the nut which is there on the cable by turning it like how I am doing it right here. So here comes out my nut. Now on Honda Activa you guys know there is a dual cable brake system. Now the second cable also you will have to leave like this only, but my second cable is totally jammed. The nut which is there on this cable is completely jammed and it is not coming out, so I will have to cut it and take it out. So I will take a grinder because anyhow I will be replacing both of these cables. That video also I will post on this channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe. So once you cut the cable, I will take the vice plier and break the cable in between. Once I break it, my brake cable is now separated from the brake lever. Now take out the wheel hub and keep it on the side and take the tire out completely. Once you take the tire out completely, leave the speedometer cable and totally separate the other cables also from the hub. Once you separate all these things from the hub, you will get to work on the hub very nicely. Now you will have to press both these brake shoes like this, and once you press, they will be separated from your hub like this. So the first thing is that you will have to clean the place where these brake shoes sit. So take petrol in a vessel and clean the wheel hub. If you want good performance, then these two things you will have to clean properly. So once you clean the hub parts, they will look something like this. As you can see how clean it has become now. Now once you clean both these things, the next thing is you will have to wash your hands, and now you will have to take your new brake shoes. Now this new brake shoes has cost me 238 rupees, as you can see here. So now it's time to put them on. Now to put them on, it's very easy. Now you will have to pull them slightly on one side like this and put it inside on one side first, and once you put it inside on one side, then come on the other side and push one brake shoe inside like this and pull the other brake shoe and put it in position like this. So here my brake shoes are now in position. Now the next thing that you should be doing is take a sandpaper of around 200 grit and scuff the brake shoes slightly on top like this. Don't overdo it. This is done so that your brake bite will be strong. Once you are done sanding, now you can put back the brake shoe assembly inside of the hub, and once you put it back, now you can fit the tire back onto the bike, and once you fit the tire back, your front brake shoes are now replaced. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, I will see you guys in my next video.